Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, and I'm Amanda. So I wanted to do something different. I wanted to try to do a mask on half my face and leave my other face with no makeup. And yeah, let's get started and see what I come up with. Okay, first I'm gonna outline the mask, where I want the mask to be. So I'm taking a brown, what is this? A retractable brow pencil first. And I'm gonna see where I'm gonna place it first. In the middle here. I'm gonna go straight down the middle. Got the mask on. We're just gonna do our face like we would normally do. Honey Conceal Imperfect. This seemed to be my favorite foundation, y'all. For some reason, it works so well with, yeah. And if you go outside the line, it's okay, but try to stay in the line. I acrylic paint a lot, and I don't know if that has anything to do with it, why I like to paint faces. But makeup is such a powerful thing. It makes you feel beautiful. It's crazy what the power of makeup can do, y'all. It's amazing. It's crazy. I'm going to use my favorite Maybelline Age Rewind. This is my favorite. What is this, in Ivory? It's crazy I'm doing half my face. Alright, I'm going to set my under eyes right quick. I want to shoot for like a plastic mask. Yes, now that I got my brows on, I want to go ahead and set my face and bronze it up right quick. Just doing like you normally do. Use the James Charles palette. Let's see what I can come up with, y'all. Trying to think. Want some bright colors. Do something different. Do something different for y'all. Alright, next I'm going to cut the crease. Into the bright colors. And I'm going to pop some yellow right here. Winged liner on and mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, went ahead and put my mascara and eyeliner. I'm going to wipe my face off with a makeup wipe. Go around the edges. I'm going to use just a pencil brush. And I think I'm going to use a Beauty contour kit. And I'm going to take the darkest shade, which is Goddess Bronzer, And I'm just gonna, let's see, where do I want to start? I think I'll start right here. You're just gonna build it up until you get a shade. Shade in your mask. And once you get it on there, we can start blending. So right now you want to get the depth on there. Your brush and laying it flat against it. It's crazy what makeup can do. Crazy. Like I said, once I get that dark shade, I'll start using the lighter shades and taper out. Now we're going to use the lighter shade. Taper it out. Taper it out. My fluffy brush, and I'm going in with some powder and starting right here. You're just blending in and out. So all you're doing is just blending and then shadowing, all that stuff. Well, I want to do some highlighting to make it look like a plastic face. So I'm going to take, I'll need some highlight right here. Alright, you guys, enjoy this look. Final look, the plastic mask. Thank y'all so much for watching. Till next time.